Hi friends, welcome to our new video on employment news for mechanical engineers. Every Monday we will upload new employment news videos here. In this video series we are giving informations about government jobs, private jobs and apprenticeship training for mechanical engineers. This week we are included 10 government jobs, 8 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training informations. Most of the opportunities are in this video are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. This first government jobs. In government job, first job is technical assistant at NIT Jalandhar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology Jalandhar invites online application from the Indian nationals for the recruitment to a technical assistants, non-teaching post in the institute. This is a fresher type job. No experience is required for this job. Salary offered for the post is 35,400 to 1,12,400 plus allowances. Age limit is 30 year and last date for application is 30th November 2020. Interested candidates are requested to apply online on the ORA website www.nitj.ac.in. Next is Engineer Design at Autocast Limited, Kerala. Autocast Limited is an ISO 9001 certified ferrous foundry manufacturing and selling grey iron, SG iron and steel casting for the domestic and international market. Established in 1984, Autocast Limited is fully equipped to manufacture all kinds of ferrous castings. For more details, please log on to their website www.autocast.com. Salary offered are 9,590 plus allowances. Age limit is 36 years. Minimum 2 years experience in a reputed foundry with 3D modeling and casting simulation is required. How to apply? Interested candidates are required to apply online through Autocast Limited's website as shown on screen or Center for Management Development CMD Trivandrum's website as shown on screen. Last date for submitting online application is 15th November. Next is Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell Panchkula Unit, Haryana. Bharat Electronics Limited is a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence. Requires the above said post personnel on contract basis for its Panchkula unit, Haryana. Pay scale is 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 for first, second and third year of contract respectively. Experience required is 1 year and last date for application is 25th November. Applicants are advised to go through the website www.bellindia.in and then apply online through online application portal as shown on screen. Next is Mechanical Engineer at Kerala Clays and Ceramics Products Limited. Kerala Clay and Ceramic Products Limited is a government of Kerala undertaking, invites application from qualified and competent candidates for appointment of mechanical engineers. Salary offered are 40,620 plus allowances. Age limit is 40 years and minimum 2 year experience in the relevant field is required. Interested candidate can apply through the website www.cmdkerala.net. Last date for submit the application is 21st November 2020. Next is CDS 1 2021 for Indian Army, Indian Navy and Air Force to UPSC. UPSC invited application from eligible unmarried male and female engineering graduates for CDS 1 2021 exam. It's a fresher type job, no experience is required for this job. Last date for application is 17th November 2020. Salary offered are 56,100 to 1,77,000 plus other allowances. There are 345 vacancies are there for CDS 1 2021. Interested candidates can apply through UPSC's website shown on screen and detailed instructions are available on the UPSC website. Next is Scientist at CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. CSIR CIMFR Dhanbad is a premier ISO 9001 certified research institute under CSIR Government of India. Its vision is to an internationally acclaimed mining and fuel research organization, and its mission is to develop and deliver sustainable cutting edge technologies for social upfillment and industrial advancement. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are 67,700 plus other allowances. Age limit is 32 years. ME or MTech is required qualification. Eligible candidates may visit CIMFR website shown on screen and download application form from there. The candidate, after filling application form, should send to Mining and Fuel Research, Dhanbad through mail on or before 24/11/2020. Next is probationary officer through IBPS. IBPS has been decided to reopen the registration window for common recruitment process and invite application for online examination, preliminary and main for probationary officer by releasing the supplementary advertisement in continuation to the detailed advertisement published early. This process is only for the applicants who could not register successfully in early advertisement time. It's a fresher type job, no experience is required for this job. There are 3,517 vacancies are there. Last date for application is 11th November. Interested candidate can apply through IBPS website as shown on screen. Next is foreman mechanical at Ministry of Defence. Its selection through UPSC. It's a Department of Defence production job. Its pay scale is 44,900 to 1,42,000 plus DA. Last date for application is 12th November 2020. BTech with mechanical with 1 year experience is required. Those who are interested, log into UPSC's ORA website as shown on screen. Next is Short Service Commission Technical in Indian Army. This is a fresher type job, no experience is required for this job. Salary offered are 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus other allowances. Last date for application is 12th November 2020. Applications should send through online on website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Next is Assistant Manager R&D at Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India. SPM CIL is a Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise Company wholly owned by Government of India. So salary offered are 40,000 to 1,40,000 in industry DA pattern of pay scale plus other allowances. Candidates to go through the SPMCIL website shown on screen and apply through online on or before 18th November 2020. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first job is mechanical engineer at Spark Minda. Spark Minda, Eastwhile Minda Group has a major presence in global automotive industry and is one of the leading manufacturer of automotive components for the OEM for over 6 decades. For more details, please visit the website shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 0 to 3 years. Salary offered are 2,50,000 to 5,50,000 per annum. They are seeking for mechanical engineer and production engineer. It's a full-time permanent job. Those who are interested can mail your resume or CV to the mail ID shown on screen or apply through their website shown on screen. Next is Trainee Engineer Fire Engineering Service at Jotun India Private Limited. Jotun is one of the world's leading manufacturer of decorative paintings, marine, protective and powder coatings. The group has 65 companies and 39 production facilities around the world and more than 10,000 employees. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. They are seeking for freshers or 0 to 1 year experience. Last date for application is 20th November. Job description is project takeoff or estimation, either steel master or Engari projects. Prepare marking of DFT on the drawing using PlanSwift software. Do comparison or analysis of project for sales to win projects. Firefighting support services. They are seeking for estimation engineer. It's a chemical plant. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through their website shown on screen against the job title. I will also give this website name on my description also. Next is mechanical engineer at Emerson. Emerson is an American multinational corporation headquartered in Ferguson, USA. Emerson has approximately 88,000 employees and 205 manufacturing locations worldwide. For more details, visit their website shown on screen. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. They are looking for Maharashtra, Pune locations. Job description: review of customer specification, input and identify scope. Follow departmental and PMO process. Generate project documents and drawings. Engineering design, freeze of project basic design, etc. Minimum 2-year experience in the field of piping and oil gas process industry is required. Interested candidates can apply through online website shown on screen or can search from Emerson website career page with requisition ID 2008674. Next is design engineer at Makins Industries Limited. Makins was incorporated in 1978 in Hyderabad. Makins commenced its activity developing agricultural machinery with technical tie-up with ICR ICAT. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 0 to 1 year. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. Good knowledge in AutoCAD, 2D drafting, Pro E, AutoCAD, 3D modeling is required. Proper interpretation of design specifications and drawings. Male candidates required. Immediate join near Sanad location, Ahmedabad. Role is design engineer. Industry type is iron and steel. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID makins@makins.com. Next is site engineer at Falcon Industries Private Limited. Falcon Industries Private Limited was founded in 1986. Is one of the leading Indian pharmaceutical, dairy and food equipment manufacturer after over 30 years of development. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. They are seeking for freshers or 0 to 1 year experience. Salary offered are 1,25,000 to 1,50,000 per annum. They are looking for a sincere candidate who are freshers as site engineer for the field of high purity water system. Candidate should be willing to travel pan-India as per site requirement. So fresher, water treatment, waste management is industry type. So full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to Kunal, company recruiter at Falcon Industries at accounts@falconindustries.com as shown on screen. Next is design engineer mechanical at Hoffman Engineering and Marketing Private Limited. Hoffman caters range of industrial ceramic products, caters the critical and demanding applications in core sector industries. Hoffman caters products are being exported to various countries like Indonesia, Australia, UAE, Africa, Saudi Arabia, etc. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 3 years. Salary offered are 15,000 per month. They are seeking urgently hiring. Knowledge of SolidWorks is essential. Design engineer is required. It's a ceramic industry. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through their website shown on screen. Next is purchase engineer at Kisco Casting India Limited. Kisco is a 27-year steel company spread over an area of over 3 lakh square feet and 450 plus employees. With 7 different international quality certification, we serve more than 21 global MNC. Kisco make alloy steel products by hot rolling, hot forging or casted rolls in any grade and size range as per customer technical specification. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. They are required 4-year experience candidate. Salary offered are 15,719. Should have worked in a manufacturing company. Technical review of purchase requirement and vendors. Must be mechanical or electrical engineer. Must be from a steel industry. They are looking for purchase engineer. Industry is steel manufacturing. So full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through their website shown on screen. Next is service engineer at Flicka India Private Limited. Flicka stands for Fleet Care. Tire plays an essential role in this sector, and the company caters towards improving efficiency and increasing the life of tire through innovative and Nikkei technology solutions. For more details, please visit their website shown on screen. They are seeking for 0 to 4 years experience candidate, and salary offered are 1,50,000 to 2,50,000. Fresher, BE mechanical background and experience from tire industry would be preferred. Hiring for multiple locations like Bangalore, Rajasthan, Odisha, Gujarat, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Raipur, Rewa, Udaipur. They are looking for service or maintenance engineer. Production is manufacturing is function area, full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID hr@flickr.in or through their website shown on screen. That's all for private job. Next is apprenticeship training. In first, graduate apprenticeship at Bharat Electronics Limited in Ghaziabad. BEL is a leading Navaratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Defence. BEL Ghaziabad unit invites application from passed out mechanical engineering candidates to undergo training as graduate apprentice under National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Candidates should pass BE or BTech course on or after 31st December 2017. Age limit is 25 years. Stipend offered are 11,110 per month. For more details, please visit BEL's website. Last date for receipt application is 23rd November. Candidates should apply for apprenticeship through NATS portal as shown on screen, and the procedure as shown on screen. Next is graduate apprentice at the Institute for Plasma Research, Gujarat. Institute for Plasma Research is an autonomous R&D organization under the authority of Department of Atomic Energy, DAE, Government of India. This is the institute of largely involved in the theoretical and experimental studies in plasma science. Candidates should have passed a degree in either 2019 or 2020. Age limit is 26 years. Stipend offered are 10,500 per month. Interested candidates are requested to enroll themselves on MHRD NATS portal as shown on screen, and successful enrollment they should visit IPR website as shown on screen and apply online on or before 22nd November 2020. Next is graduate apprentice at Bharat Dynamics Limited, Bhanur. BDL is a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Defence. Was established in Hyderabad in the year of 1970 to be a manufacturer based for guided missile and allied defence. Last date for enrolling NATS portal is 18th November, and last date for applying BDL is 20th November. There are 35 number of posts, and interested candidate should go through two-step procedure as shown on screen. For queries related to student enrollment web portal, can contact the mail IDs as shown on screen. That's all for this week's employment news. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.